Hello, welcome back to Analyzing a Teaching Context 2. My name is Rodolfo Huelvas, and today we'll be talking about method, didactic, and pedagogy. What are the differences between them? Well, let's talk about each one of them. So we start with method. Method refers to the general principles. It depends on the school's philosophy or mission, and the type of student's background. So it really is there are different types of methods that we can use. And we got, like, for example, direct method or audiolingual method or TPR. And that depends on demographics, background of the students, age, gender, and if it's just rural schools, all of that. So that's what we call method. Then we have didactic. Didactic refers to the style of information that is going to be presented to students. The concept of teaching and reaching students where they feel confident and comfortable. This is how teachers reach the students, how they make students feel really in class to acquire better learning. We have a comic here. It says, the girl saying to his dad, "He's so didactic, and his thinly veiled content clearly stems from the diplomacy he employs to keep the class functioning. He's an abominable English teacher." So that's what didactic is called. And then we have pedagogy. Pedagogy deals with the theory and practice. It takes into consideration the students' learning, understanding, needs, and their interest. How to interact with the students inside, outside the classroom. So this is the relationship. How we are going to apply that methodology. What tools we're going to use. How we're going to approach them using the method and the didactic. So that's the three differences. Talking about a method, let's take total physical response or TPR. It is a method of teaching language concepts by using physical movement to react to verbal input. The basic thing of TPR is oral communication. It is based on how infants learn their first language. The objective of TPR is to create a mental link between speech and action to help learning. So, for example, we have different examples of TPRs. TPR circles. We organize students in a circle. The teacher says a word. The last person to do the action comes out of the circle. So the last person that is within the circle is going to be called the winner, he or she. Another famous is Simon Says. So the teacher would say, Simon says, raise your hand. So the last person who do the action will come out of the group. Same way as TPR circle, the last person who stands doing the action will be the winner. And we have TPR sounds. The teacher will first get the students to do the action connected to each vocabulary word. Then the teacher adds a sound related to the word, and the students practice hearing the word and doing the action, along with making sounds. The students are then ready to give commands to each other. So there are three examples of TPR. Remember, it's an oral communication. It's based on speaking and action. And we'll thank you. Goodbye.